Hello everyone. It was a wonderful session today for Nifty. It ended 1.3% higher on the back of huge gains in Nifty banking as well as PSU banks, which had gains of more than 2%. Other notable gainers included construction as well as auto stocks. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Nifty forecast for tomorrow, and the levels indicated will help my subscribers make handsome profits. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, we have the Nifty chart with us today. Pivot point analysis reveals that the pivot is roughly 11,150. So if Nifty tomorrow opens above those levels, I can see very strong resistance at the levels of 11,250, 340 and 430. Let's take them one by one. 250, as you would have by now realized, is the 80% Fibonacci retracement of the February high and the March low. Levels of 11,430, as you can see here, is the March high. Other notable resistances are near 380, which is the second highest candle for the month of March. On the downside, we can see support at 10,940, 10,990, 11,080 and 11,135. And it's quite unlikely that Nifty is going to go much below 10,700 or 10,600, but if it does, it is possible that the June high of 10,553 will be a strong support. And if it goes even below that, the second highest candle having a high of 10,484 will again act as a very strong support. So this is the end of Nifty predictions for today. Have a wonderful trading session tomorrow. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Thanks guys.